Hello, what is up guys? I hope everything's going well, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and in today's video I'm gonna show you the new launch by Sigma Beauty. Oh my god, I'm very excited because these liquid lipsticks are amazing. They last long a lot and all the colors are so beautiful, so I really hope that you like it much as I do because the colors are stunning, guys, and the new formula is hydrating and feels so comfortable in the lips. So I really recommend you to try this out. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you all of them and also this PR packaging as well that I just got in the mail. Oh my god, look at this! So as you can see, we got 6 new colors and also a new hydrating formula. This is waterproof and also dries matte in your lips but feels so good, so comfortable. Also in the PR packaging, I got 3 lip brushes to apply the liquid lipstick in my lips and also to clean up the edges. They are amazing, and this one actually I really like to use to highlight the inner corner of my eyes as well because as you can see it's very pointy and small, so it can hit the corners really well. I also like this brush to apply eyeshadow underneath the brows and highlighter in the cupid's bow. It's so good for it. And also this little concealer brush. For me, I use as a concealer brush, but it's a lip brush. I like to use this one to apply the liquid lipstick in my lips, and also it works really well to clean up the edges and also the edges of my brows. So this brush is really good. And this one is just to apply your liquid lipstick when you want to apply in a big area in your lips, and also this one works so well to carry in your bag just like this. You can close it up, and also it works really well in artistic makeup looks. All the brushes are 2 years warranty, and also I'm gonna add my discount code, which is MelissaSB, for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com. Will be everything listed here down below for you guys. I'm gonna show you all of them in a better swatch. So I'm gonna try this on my lips and let's see how it goes. for this video. I really hope that you like it much as I do. I really love how this makeup look turned out, and also I love all the lip colors in my lips. I think all of them are so beautiful, since the packaging to the beautiful colors and how it looks beautiful on you. So really recommend for you to try this out. Also, the lip brushes, they are so good and will help you to apply your lipstick with perfection. So that's it for this video. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Also follow me on Instagram to see more pictures of my work, and I wait you for the next videos. Comment down below what you think about these colors, what is your favorites, and also what you want to see next here in my channel. I will be so happy to know. And I'll see you in the next videos. Mwah. Bye!